Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. What's up, Namibia? All the way from Namibia. Yeah, man. DJ Vuyo is one of my friends. Okay, so yeah, reacting to your friend's song, it is what it is. But yeah, man, I'm glad to be reacting to this. There's a new album. I have been reacting to music for the whole year pretty much, so it's good to see that DJ Vuyo has a new album out, and this one is a big one because it's featuring your maps all the way from Zambia. So I was like, okay, it's an audio, but I am going to check it out. And I feel like there's something new that I want to do, just react to audios because so many other artists from Africa don't necessarily have the means to make videos, but their music is good. So I just want to do that so we don't skip anybody. You know what I mean? So if you are not from Africa, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads. Also, go check out Vuyo's music. You will love it. They are beautiful videos that he has done and beautiful dance music as well. So yeah, it's one of my proudest moments to be reacting to this one.
Yeah,
It has that vibe, you know?
yeah. Vuyo, yo boy, yo nana. Unasakata we. You say you love me, tokutangisa vanyoko. I wanna do kamanina, kantika atike na bita bebe. Kokwe so swasi sozi. When I found out you fooling me, Abembu tochita sintu sako pepe. Ni wahinda kesho kangu no kachira ura. Nikuze with a problem. Esi mandi with a problem. Nikuze with a problem. Esi mandi with a problem.
What do you guys call this genre, man? I feel like this is not Amapiano. It has those elements of Amapiano, but it's also a different vibe altogether. You guys from Zambia should come up with this, man. This is like a new genre. I love it.
Single one more, chikondi ichi noti anymore. Nani dama boza ni nankala chebita baby neze kuinde. Single one more, chikondi ichi noti anymore. Nani banga chizende ni nankala chozungulu sawe. Ninapenda boza kazi wense ma problem. Kuzani na musoba ni ma problem she. Wazo funa chuma noti la kwiwe. Ninapenda boza kazi wense ma futa iswe. Unanipitiza munkonfaswa. Waza nitumila phone don't care. Wherever you are, una problem. Nikuuza una problem iswe. Ufunika medication we. Wherever you are, una problem. Nikuuza una problem iswe. Ufunika medication we. Say you don't care. What you doing is not fair. They will never give a shemba. So entertainer to nika. I give you everything, give you every few. Anundi was on the rete amaku. Yo she ine na koko di hikira get you. Kati mani ho she no fosa hini. With a problem. Esi mani with a problem.
It is just different.
With a problem. Esi mandi with a problem.
Yeah, that's Your Maps. Oh, that's DJ Vuyo featuring Your Maps. Problem. Please go check it out on the DJ Vuyo's YouTube page. And there's so many other songs, like I said earlier, so many other videos that DJ Vuyo is putting out. He's one of the biggest guys out there in Namibia. So yeah, you already know it's gonna be big. Beautiful stuff, man. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel, then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Let's